Today, I'll show you how to turn Tactical Chalkboard on and off on FC25. So the Tactical Chalkboard appears whenever you make a tactical change. So for instance, as you can see, let's choose Park the Bus. And then you'll notice on the bottom of the screen, a chalkboard that will appear. So to enable this, go to Settings, select Game Settings, and then go to the Visual Settings. Now within the Visual Settings, scroll down and find Tactical Chalkboard. So by default it's enabled. So to disable it, select Off, or to turn it on, select On. So let's choose Off. So the next time you make a tactical change, the chalkboard will not appear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.